Is it time to buy or sell Ford stock? In this video, we are exploring the intricacies of Ford. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 12th of August, 2024, and we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and activate the notification bell to keep informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to overlook any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 25th of July, 2024, our system has identified Ford as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.3. Now let's examine the stock's performance over this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of 11.65%. This equates to an average daily loss of 0.90% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $9.64 is breached, it will initially indicate a more pronounced decline. Analyzing the current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of 5.67% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decrease of 7.77% to an increase of 36.95%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it predicts a change of 6.17% over the next year, with potential returns between 4.74% and 57.30%. This suggests a price range of $10.33 to $15.51 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Ford includes the headline, Ford stock price down 2.38% on Monday. The Ford stock price fell by 2.38% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 12th of August, 2024. It decreased from $10.10 to $9.86. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.68% with a low of $9.84 and a high of $10.10. The price has declined in 8 of the last 10 days and is down by 10.45% during this period. Volume increased on the last day by 450,000 shares, despite the falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 46 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $451,340,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $14.85, while the lowest price was $9.49. Currently, the price is 33.60%, or $4.99, below the 52-week high, and 61.89%, or $16.01, below the all-time high reached on January 13, 2022, when the price was $25.87. A wave of class action lawsuits has been filed against Ford Motor Company, impacting both the company's reputation and potentially its stock price. These lawsuits allege violations of federal securities laws for the period from April 27, 2022 to July 24, 2024, raising serious concerns for investors. The deadline for filing claims under these suits is set for October 7, 2024, which means market sentiment may remain volatile as shareholders respond to the ongoing legal challenges. In the short term, as these legal proceedings unfold, we could see increased selling pressure on Ford's stock as investors look to mitigate their losses. The accumulation of lawsuits could lead to heightened scrutiny from regulators, further clouding the company's financial outlook and business operations. Consequently, this could trigger a decline in investor confidence. reflecting negatively on the stock price. In the long run, the implications of these lawsuits could lead to substantial financial liabilities if the company is found liable, impacting its financial performance and ability to invest in innovation and growth. Investors will need to closely monitor these developments, as the outcomes could significantly affect Ford's market position and shareholder value in the future. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 7th of August, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned a neutral grade to F, recommending a hold action. On Thursday, the 25th of July, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley rated F as overweight, also advising a hold action. On Monday, the 22nd of July, 2024, RBC Capital reported a sector perform grade for F with a recommendation to hold. On Tuesday, the 16th of July, 2024, Barclays rated F as overweight, suggesting a hold action. Lastly, on Friday, the 7th of June, 2024, Bernstein gave F an outperform grade, recommending a hold action. Analysts have assigned Ford stock a general neutral rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be neutral and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for Ford. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 5th of August, 2024, and so far it has increased by 1.54%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence short-term developments. The Ford stock currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, leading to a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $9.91 and $12.21. A breakout above any of these levels will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots have shown a buy signal 6 days ago. Bollinger has provided a buy signal 21 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal 3 days ago. In contrast, the long-term moving average indicates a sell signal 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presented a buy signal 12 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicates a sell signal 14 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a sell signal 14 days ago. However, the relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 5 days ago. For more insights and signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Ford. Ford finds support from accumulated volume at $9.78. This level presents a potential buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock is expected to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and the considerable prediction interval from the Bollinger Band classifies it as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 264 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, which represents 2.68%. For the past week, the stock has maintained an average daily volatility of 2.71%. Before we dive into the possible favorable trading levels for Ford, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate a low expectation for the company's future performance, or suggests that the stock is undervalued, which could represent a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 24th of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 50 cents per share. It is crucial to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Ford. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Ford is at $10.03. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering an entry. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a point to think about for swing trading. On the downside, Ford faces its first support level at $9.78. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Ford from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 11th of July, 2024, Cisneros Adriana conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares with no derivative securities owned. On the same day, Cisneros Adriana made another insider purchase of 0 shares with no securities owned. On the 10th of June, 2024, English Alexandra Ford conducted an insider purchase of 4,386 shares of Class B stock with a par value of 1 cent. On that same day, English Alexandra Ford conducted an insider purchase of 14,620 shares of Class B stock with a par value of 1 cent. On the 10th of June, 2024, English Alexandra Ford also conducted an insider sale of 5,848 shares of Class B stock with a par value of 1 cent. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is positive with a ratio of approximately 29.066. In total, insiders purchased 6,791,149 shares and sold 3,592,940 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable and a stop loss has not been established. Is Ford stock a worthwhile investment? Currently, Ford displays several negative indicators and is positioned within a broad and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. This leads us to maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Following our analysis of the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 13th of August, we expect Ford to open at approximately 7.47 cents and commence trading at $9.93. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.